Here's another old Austin on my walks. VGT 829. Don't look like it's moved in a while. Nice to appreciate such classics as these. Honestly, we walk past these and think nothing of these anymore, but these were once lovely cars many years ago. Oh, it's a Cambridge A55. Nice. And also there's one to my left with a coffee on it. 266 MMD. So must be a nice, a vivid collector of these. I believe that these will be all tax and MOT exempt as well now. That's a Westminster A95 Deluxe. A95 6 Deluxe water car. To hit both in one go, that's a rarity.